Hello, thank you for joining me at 5 in Makeover and brows. They can be a little overwhelming sometimes. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to do an ombre brow using, I like the dark brow palette and the brow spoolie brush. So you start with the angle end, dip your brush into the wax or the setting gel, whatever, and the dark powder, okay? And outline. So you want to outline under your brow. And don't worry, if you do an oops, it's okay. Okay, so using the dark. And by the way, I did spoolie my brows out first. Okay? Then we want to just outline the top from the arches, and don't worry about filling in because that is what, or maybe you could see better this way. That's the beauty of the spoolie. Okay, now I flip it over and I'm going to dip it in the lighter brown, and I'm going to draw a line where my brow should start, and then just kind of lightly shade. That's what I love about these brow palettes because of the versatility with the two powder colors, and then you have the setting gel, and then you have your highlight colors. Okay, and all you do, spoolie it in. What a difference a brow makes. Yeah, that's a thick brow. I'm not used to having that much brow, so what I'm going to do is using the brow artist brush. That's where these come in. I call them the oops cleaner uppers, okay? And I'm going to use the pink. Now, a little side note, brows are not twins, okay? They are sisters or they are distant cousins. They should not look exactly alike. And of course, I forgot. I always forget something, don't I? Now, at first, it's, you know, the first time you do this, like with anything, you're going to be like, what the heck? So you got to do the rule of Renee. Anytime you try something new, you got to look in the mirror several times at yourself for 30 minutes. Why do I call this the rule of Renee? First time my daughter browed me, I was like, get them off. It looked like two bugs were stuck to my head. Like those little furry caterpillar things that we get out of those nickel things at, you know, the arcade for our kids with the little mustaches. But keep in mind, we don't realize it, but we look in the mirror at ourselves several times a day, all day long. So you got to give it the 30-minute rule of Renee. If you have any questions, please let me know. Today is the last day of the 30% off for the brow palettes. And if you are watching this after today, today is October 14th, 2019. So if you're watching this after today, I hope you learned a couple tips, learned how easy it is to brow. Let me know what questions you have. I will help you pick the palette color and which brush is going to be best for you. Thank you for joining me. Browy Renee at 5 in Makeover. Stay confident. Stay beautiful.